We are here today to pull this tree down, or I'm going to cut it down, but it's actually leaning towards the outside of the property, towards the road outside. So we're going to hold it taut with this rope and the tractor, and I'm going to go and cut the V in the front on this side to help it to fall this way, and we'll be keeping the tension on the rope tight with the tractor to hopefully pull it down as the rope now lies. I want it to fall this way in line with the rope. Mouth cut on this side so that it falls this way. Once the mouth cuts a third the way in, I'm then going to start a single cut in the back and get more pressure put on the line to hopefully get it to fall in this direction. Famous last words. Bar's okay. That's an expensive bar. Alright, now throw back a little bit wide. So the tree didn't quite fall that way, it fell a little bit to the side, but it had a big branch that I couldn't get up high enough to cut off, and that I think got tangled on the Norfolk pine behind me, so that's what sort of swayed it around a little bit. Anyways, at least it fell in the right direction. It's fallen on my property, not on the drive. Everything's okay. I did the V cut, but then I decided to do the V cut slightly deeper, and I did 2 single cuts, and then I put wedges in. So I think the reason that you can see it got stuck here is because there was a little bit too much pressure on the line coming from the tractor. So when it started to fall, the tractor was pulling it and that was squeezing the bar. So anyway, the bar's okay, so now I'll put it back together and chop these little logs and move them with the tractor.